Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget please to support the channel with a like and a subscribe for more updating videos, and leave your comments please and your questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So as we can see on the weekly chart for XRP, we can see an impulse already started. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 finished, of course, a wave A potentially or a wave 1. After this, we have seen a correction in a triangle A, B, C, D, E. Finishing, of course, is this correction with a wave E towards the downside. That means we want to see a continuation definitely towards the upside. Of course, after seeing a trend towards the upside as well and coming with a correction after it. So on the daily chart, we can see also that we want to move up as well, and we can see on the daily that we have started a formation of a 1, 2 after finishing this massive triangle ABCD, right? After finishing the wave E here, we are looking for a 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, possibly, of course, for higher prices. And if we look further inside this zone, we can see, of course, a clear impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, finishing a wave 1, looking for a wave 2 after having a second small triangle here where we can see A, B, C, and D, and E. So after this triangle, of course, as well, your wave E was towards the downside, and you want to see continuation towards the upside after having an upside trend. And of course, they finished correction in a triangle, and here we go. We are moving higher and higher. Now, another possibility that your triangle might not finished yet with A, B, C, D, E, as of course still the same as A, B, C, D, and E, and still looking for another wave E towards the downside. However, since this looks almost like a zigzag, so it might be, it might be enough, of course, to say, of course, our wave D has finished here and we look for higher prices, because this thing has started to look a little bit more like an impulse. So preferably that our wave E has, of course, finished here. And another way to analyze this is, considering another impulse that has started already as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, considering that A, B, and C has already ended here and a wave 2 has started from there. So to look a little bit more closer to this and see what is going on inside the 4-hour chart, we can see, of course, here a much better view for this correction, where we can see, of course, after an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we are looking here at 3 waves down as a zigzag, 3 waves up as a zigzag, and we couldn't find an impulse. It is another zigzag, which is here give much higher possibilities that this is a triangle continuing in a zigzag form and finishing also in a zigzag for the wave E. Therefore, I prefer, of course, to move on with a triangle of correction for a wave 2 rather than A, B, and a C. So if we look closer now, of course, after having a finished wave E, we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, looking, of course, for higher prices after breaking this triangle channel. And we are potentially looking, of course, for the 1 point, the 1-to-1 taken, of course, first as a zigzag, A, B, and a C. In case we are a zigzag, you want to hit the 1-to-1 fib level towards the upside. This is your first target, of course, as a TP1. Of course, if you want to consider this, you can watch also the educational video how to trade Elliott Wave to know how to manage your trade with higher profit and less risk. Of course, if we see 3 waves towards downside and continuation, that means, of course, we are still impulsive. You want to add to your trade, of course, even more and continue towards the 1.618 taken from the start of this one here to the end of this one and to the base point of the 2, giving us a wave 3 towards the upside with 1.618 fib level around 0.87 cent. After this, you want to see correction, 3 waves towards the downside, of course, for a wave 4, and your wave 4 wants to continue, of course, impulsively towards wave 5. Hopefully that we reach, of course, over $1 for XRP again. So this is your bullish scenario. Your bearish scenario, of course, is still a continuation of a correction, unfinished correction, in case we see lower prices. By all means, that this is still your wave D in a kind of like, it could be even WXY, right? So we could still have a wave E towards the downside and then move up again and again. However, higher possibility is that we are done and we are looking for higher prices. To make sure that we are totally outside of this triangle, we need to hit exactly over the wave B, where we are at 0.63 cent. So it is not really so far yet. However, if we don't break this, officially we are still inside a triangle. So thank you for watching. This is it for XRP. I hope that you like it. If you did, please press the like button and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet for more updating video, of course. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.